I'll give command a call about it in a hot minute.
And additional to that, range to the bridge over here is 606 meters. Anything past that is going to be out of maze range.
Raj.
Even that's a bit stretching it, but it's
According
probably
to the
doable.
map, across that direction could be a barret.
Oh yeah, by the way,
temporary
the
camp
blinking
area.
light is the railway crossing. I can see the fucking boom now.
Raj. Command, be advised, we are currently overwatching the position, or we are currently sitting in overwatch at the lighthouse, currently looking down towards Chernogorsk and an unidentified position.
East.
We got a friendly tank coming up on east.
We're gonna be defending in place and dealing with anything attempting to move from that direction. We have a unidentified position in Prigordorki. Gonna get it looked at with binoculars before I make a call on artillerying the fuck out of it. Over.
Yeah, there's trenches and camo nets. Can't tell if there's anything behind those.
Raj, let me get my eyes on that bitch.
Able, this is command. Copy on.
Yep, I got spot on it. Command, this is Able. I'm requesting fire support on grid 080033. I repeat again, 080033. That unidentified position's probably an ammo dump of some sort. We've got multiple trenches and multiple camel nets. Go ahead and blast that thing. Over.
Grip civilians.
They knew what the fuck they signed up for when they got into town and defended it.
So yeah, speaking of, there was definitely not a dead civilian over there, so I put a grenade on him, so yeah, he's
I see.
Hey, Visa. You sure your
Able,
mark's
command.
accurate?
Repeat grid reference.
Should be accurate.
Because May's mark looks more accurate.
Building behind
Oh
those.
no, that's for the second position. There's two
Oh.
positions.
Yeah, in that case, I don't have eyes on the first.
Command, be advised, grid reference is going to be 080033.
Oh yeah, I see it.
We've also got fortified positions
I think those are dead.
at 081031. Say again, first grid coordinate is going to be 080033. Second grid ref is 081031. Over.
Arma really needs to take.
You know, if you imagine not giving it to 8 numbers.
Yeah.
Copy. Rounds inbound. ETA 1 minute.
You know, what is
Arma
that,
needs a Sudoku minigame.
0809 0337 ish.
Yeah.
It's 2003. You know what I'm fucking doing? Playing Pokemon on my Game Boy Advanced.
Oh yeah.
Here comes Vines.
I love 155 in the morning.
Assassin, this is Steel Rain. Your grid's designated for correct.
Alright, so it looks like the rear position is at least damaged. Front position seems to be unharmed.
Yeah, the rear position got hit. The front one hasn't gotten hit yet.
Yeah. I was told 60 seconds. I'm guessing They gave us 3 for the first one. They'll give us 3 for the second one. I was kind of hoping like an F-18 with like, I don't know, like a JDAM or something, but like, you know, I guess I'll take gunfire too.
I'm guessing they want the town sort of intact.
I'd simply just throw a fucking big ass bomb at it and call it a day. Yeah, true. I'm also.
Ooh, there we go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
that
there we
first
go.
shell was pretty much dead on. It landed just in front of it. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
There we go. Yeah, no, first position's fucked.
And them Navy boys know what they're doing.
Command, this is Able. Good shot, or fucking good impact on. Good effect on target, over. Good impact, fucking goddamn. Fucking getting
Yeah, there's
distracted.
something smoking over there.
Something just landed nearby. Or flew by me. Or at least it seemed like it.
Yeah, I heard. I think shrapnel.
Yeah, I got screen shake.
Ah,
Yeah,
that's a
that's
fucking
a-
bullet!
Fire.
That's a shot at us.
Also, there is an
Not sure from where.
undamaged, or at least not destroyed Vic at the second position. Something
Oh yeah.
stocky.
Wait. That's a T-30. That's a tank. That's a tank. At the
That's a what?
position.
Where?
That's a T-34. That's a tank.
As in the one that's at the,
The rear position.
Alright. Now where the hell is this
Hold in the
ass
boss.
piece of shit sniper?
Low-key, I think from the sounds, sniper might be more that direction than direct front.
Define that direction.
They're pointed
Command, this is
about
Able.
somewhere between
Southern
0 and 40.
furthest target from us. Unidentified position's got a tank in it.
Wisdom
You can
half
continue to
of the
drop
rank.
rounds on it, over.
I really should have brought a pen once.
As for that fucking sniper, I'm gonna start looking in the hills and shit.
Able command, copy.
Just ahead of us. Luckily, this scope has a pretty good amount.
God,
of
I hate
magnetic-
snipers.
Yeah, you can say that again.
That again.
Yep.
Wouldn't it just be that?
And depends.
No, because
I should be yeah, I'm still streaming. Okay.
saying only that means you've said that before because you've been able
Okay,
to say it
yeah.
again.
Muzzle flash, I think, yeah. Muzzle flash there. Almost directly to 0.
The shots are
short.
Higher, he's by the big trees. Higher. Still short. Go up again. Where that first tracer landed. Yep, you're hitting the tree right in front of him.
Still never find me. Oh, fuck, they found.
Your burst is short. He's
Reloading.
big trees by the fucking power lines.
Fire a singular round.
Direct center of that second fucking shed on by the big building, or across the fucking wall from the big building. He's
We're back.
crawling around there. All right, motherfucker, you want to fucking do
They
this
all
shit.
left the room. I can speak.
Let's go.
Back fast is clear.
Crawling away.
Send it.
I cannot hit that. That's way too far.
Okay. I would have displaced
We're
after those
cool.
shots.
I see him.
Yeah, a little bit crawling away.
Hey, I'll take care of that. I'm gonna be right back.
I am also going to be right back because I can't really do anything right now.
Holy fuck.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Maskaz.
What the fuck
Hold
was
on,
that?
I'll call command.
Rocket.
Oh god, did I
Right,
accidentally...
I get on helping, patching people up.
Please tell me I
Oh.
didn't accidentally fucking shoot.
No, it came in from
Kendall.
like the outside. I heard it. That was either
What the fuck?
like
Exploded.
that might have
What
been a
the fuck
missile actually
happened?
because the engine that was a fucking
rocketed.
missile.
Fast
Or
Command,
some sort
this
of
is
rocket,
Able
but I
2
heard an
AC.
active
Command,
engine.
Able 2 AC. We've got a mass gas event at the lighthouse. We're going to be pulling back to the buildings, over.
Actively like hitting an ATGM.
Damn, they hit us with an ATGM. That's fucked up.
Alright, fuck, let's go.
Able command, copy that. We'll dispatch
Anyway, you don't have
medevac to
plans in
the
next, like, take a
lighthouse.
periscope.
I'm just bringing a javelin.
Copy that, command, we'll hold. Update to that command, 3 air casualties. Command said they're dispatching medevac to the lighthouse, so guess we're holding here.
That's crazy.
Fucking, I think, did we get like direct shot by like an SPG-9?
They think Viso and Viso and fucking
Yeah, this is one.
May thinks
happened
it's a
before.
goddamn ATGM.
Anyone alive up there?
We've got 3 alive up here.
Good.
Yeah, I think we're. Yeah, we're gonna push back up to the lighthouse unless y'all want to move back down to the damn village.
Up to you, boss.
Y'all probably took a direct round from a tank or an SPG-9.
From what I heard, I think that might have been an ATGM because, like, I heard the fucking, like, engine before I died.
Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and move it back up to the lighthouse, and then I'm gonna have to go AFK for like 30 minutes, so this is gonna be fun.
Oh boy.
Who the fuck cuts grass at like 1
Oh shit,
p.m.?
I guess I am picking up just like the long range for a while.
Yeah, I'll try and be back as fast as humanly possible, but no fucking promises on that. First, I am gonna run up there though. I'm gonna run up there and I'm gonna
No,
like,
that's the fucked up thing.
stand in front of fucking. Stand in front? No, I'm gonna get up there and then stand like out ahead of y'all or a house
That's a
behind
big
y'all, so that
tracer.
way like. That way Maxine can at least see the
Alright.
squad doing squad shit while I'm AFK. Also, we never got word on what the fuck happened to that T-34, so say watch yourselves on that. The fuck was that Mace shooting a fucking rocket at some shit? Alright, now I go AFK for a hot minute.
Hot minute isn't hot to go, or
What's that?
this job said they're going away for a hot minute, and I was thinking, you know, maybe we could like do some sort of hot to go thing.
Because I'm now totally a different person, I now have a javelin. This should hopefully be better at taking people away over yonder. However, I can't fucking swing any.
Now, technically speaking, I don't think I have my medic tabs, and it's been forever since I took training, so this is exciting.
Yeah.
Anyway, normally I expect a mass casualty to have me busy rather than check pulse 3 times and be like, oh yeah, no, they dead.
Yeah, no.
Yeah,
Last time I had a mass gas event, I just shot everyone who survived in the head with a Webley and ran.
yeah, that's one way to do it.
Yeah, in my defense, there was like a Panzer IV coming to our position.
Not sure if that makes it better or worse.
Yeah, I wasn't gonna let
Panzer
the...
IV to be definitely open driver's slot and not that doesn't have Panzer glass in it.
God.
Oh, that's not a T-34. That's
Okay, so that tank we spotted was not a T-34, it was a T-55 with a shit ton of ERA.
yes.
Well, that explains the ATGM.
Yeah, I do have eyes on actual P-34 though. On the south side of the barn. If anyone can get contact with command.
Yeah, I'll pass it on.
There's a what?
T-34 south side of the barn.
We got.
I mean, I'll try and target it if I can. And then
You got a bearing for me, Pizzo?
1 second.
341 from the lighthouse.
Alright.
It's engaging the Abrams. It's probably gonna get fucked up.
Yeah. It's behind a house, you're not gonna get a shot on it.
yeah.
Don't tell me that fucking T-34 managed to button up an Abrams.
I mean, machine gun fire is machine gun fire.
I mean, yeah.
Exposed commander is not immune to machine gun fire. Or not immune to machine gun fire. What?
Well, there goes the first dart.
Do your face, you fucking fart.
Well, those searches keep going, don't they?
Yep.
I saw that one go to
Number 4.
Ricochet. I'm pretty sure that round either missed or went.
I think the Abrams needs to go back to gunnery school. That's the 4th round it's missed.
Well, then,
Jesus Christ, man.
broadside of a barn, or at least not really, but it's funnier to say that it is. Does that open up anything for me to see? No? Okay.
You see, shortly after this, the Marines get rid of their armored components, so.
Surely.
Yeah, I can't blame them if this is the fucking gunnery of them. Also, is it just...
Command, this is Abel. We're observing the armor's having a little bit of trouble killing something. You reckon we can get an AH-1Z up here?
Now, if the Cobra doesn't kill a fucking T-34, then we have to rethink our entire armor
Abel, this
strategy.
is Command. ETA about 15 minutes. Roger that, 15 minutes. Abel out.
Oh, it's inactive?
I'll fucking blow its kingdom come if it does literally anything. On T-34, peel out of cover, you coward.
Abel, Command, do you see the compound on the beach to your direct northwest? We have armored and friendly troops advancing to the next set of buildings. Could I get you to along the beach and check that out? Over. Copy that, Command. Abel Wilco. Out.
Alright, everyone. We're moving to the compound on the beach on the south side. It's that little power block looking place. Yep, exactly. Yep, that one.
Let's go.
Should we take shock?
You can catch up.
Okay.
Hang on, where did you go?
We're moving to the compound on the beach to our direct southwest. About 320 from the lighthouse.
Oh.
Hello. Jesus Christ. Come on, let's go. Abel, let's move. Raj. Think inside, maybe? Command, this is Abel. We have made it to the compound. How copy?
Hold position for the time being. The armor and the just slugging it out with some stragglers in that compound over in the farm.
Copy that, command. Yeah, I see him. Okay, that's another tank. Command disable, requesting naval gunfire support at grid reference 075031. That's 075031.
Huh.
Ow. Hello?
075031. ETA 45 seconds.
45 seconds, roger.
Is that y'all down there by that building? Hmm.
Oh fuck, hold on.
Here we can see the 12AA fighting at long distance. Huh.
Okay, yeah, you're good.
Thank you.
I take it we're in a gunfight?
Maybe.
Little bit.
Oh, I'm sure the
Check your blood
the
pressure real
YouTube folks
fast.
will enjoy the gunfight they got to watch. Okay, dead BMP.
Okay, you're good.
Lots of fucking fragmentation.
Command disable, good effect on naval gunfire. Thank you very much.
Dead T-55, several T-72s.
Contact infantry line bearing 3 is 17 or so.
He's down. He's down.
Tell me there's another.
Reloading.
What the hell is exploding us? Did you die? There we go. God, this makes the fucking thermals freak out so hard.
How folks feeling?
I'm doing good.
Visa, you good? No need
Yeah,
for
another tank, another tank. By the burning ones.
Yeah, I see him.
We're out of rockets.
He's running.
Yeah.
Two
Yeah, I put
tanks,
two of them.
3.
Count 3.
Oh yeah.
Able, command disable. We got 3 armored contacts on that last grid square where we ordered naval gunfire. T-34, 2 times T-34s and a T-72.
That's a 55, but whatever.
Yeah. Maybe if we say 72, maybe they'll actually get an F-18 down here.
Copy that, repeating fire mission, ETA 60 seconds.
Copy that, 6 seconds out.
Yeah, shooting
Boy,
a
they're-
rifle
they're
round at
looking
it
at
ain't
us,
gonna do
ain't they?
much, but you know, I feel better about
No,
it.
no.
They're,
Right.
they're
34
engaging with
times.
the Abrams, probably.
If only suddenly the Abrams could actually hit anything.
Yeah, no, that Abrams crew needs to be like
Executed,
and
just
sent back to
summarily
gunnery school.
executed.
Oh yeah, Shock, you missed the Abrams like bouncing 4 sables off a T-34.
No, it didn't even bounce off the T-34. It was bouncing it off the terrain.
Oh, amazing.
It was missing. With a fucking Abrams. Which if you just press like T, it does like all the work for you. Of course,
Press 2 buttons and like hit anything up to like 3 kilometers.
Okay,
Guess
now
it's too
they're
hard for
looking
those
at us.
guys.
No, not anymore.
Channel switched. Channel switched.
Oh?
Arma, you want to be a...
Channel switched. Channel switched.
Arma's being a bitch, alright, good to know.
Thank God for the U.S. Navy.
Mm-hmm.
I know, right? I know, right?
The Abrams hit something. It's the burning T-55.
Ah,
Amazing.
Got my hope up there for a second.
fucking ping noises, shut the fuck up notifications.
The old ambient dog barking.
Yeah, it's just fucking sounds like everything's dead. Or
For now.
running away.
One T-34 is just completely dormant.
To be
Not
fair, maybe the crew
destroyed.
thought better of standing inside a name hall. Oh, I would have retreated in the tank. I don't know.
If I see another tank, I'm calling it as T-80.
Understandable.
Right, it's got,
Fucking king.
crewmen by the T-34 are running around.
Fucking tiger.
Yeah, that'd be less threatening.
Roya was shooting at some of the crewmen who got out.
Do you want to push up?
No, I think we're perfectly fine here. We'll let the guys with the actual armor push up.
Maybe he's already doing that now.
Quick.
There's a dead crewman on top of that T-55.
Yeah, I'm still good.
Alright.
Well, I ain't seeing shit down there that's not currently in a gunfight with somebody else.
Oh, I see another tank.
Oh boy.
It appears
Where?
to be inert. I hope.
Where is it?
Bearing 318, way in the distance behind some trees. It's not moving or like turning its turret, but it's not like burning or anything, so.
Oh, it's active.
Nope. Cook off.
Yep. My rifle's cooking off occasionally too. Truck. Approaching the factory.
Yeah, I see it.
278.
It's behind the building right now.
Yep.
Oh,
On the
he's
other
back.
side. Dismount. Reloading.
Oh, he got hellfired.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, no, that
Well, we got a Cobra here now.
Oh yeah, no, that tank you spotted is long dead.
Okay, I can see the contacts, but that's because the fucking wall isn't rendering, and I can see my bullets hit the wall.
Visa got the sight beyond sight.
Fucking Superman extra vision going on over here.
I don't know, Shock, do you want to call in naval gunfire or not?
I'm gonna be
Yeah.
real with the fucking everlasting Cobra flying around it. I really don't think it's a problem. Bye, Cobra. Love you, Cobra.
Okay, they keep exposing themselves. Yeah, he's
Oh,
done.
that's where y'all are shooting. Okay. That is a fascinating way to shoot that M249.
Yeah, I can see at least 3 more guys like behind the wall with my extra vision, but I can't engage them.
I expected much more close range engagement. Not just lazily walking up the beach and taking actual contact like 5 minutes later. I wish I had more rockets.
Was that a rocket impacting short on us?
I hope not.
Reload it.
I got caught by something.
Huh? Is that a bitch? Oh, there's a bitch I see. Not far, bearing 3. Yeah, it's close.
He's down. Yeah.
Ooh, nice one.
Yeah, he's down. Ugh.
They're shooting at something.
Maybe. Probably ain't hitting it though.
Also, I'm officially yellow on ammo. Not that I brought a lot.
I haven't even spent the full mag of my M4 yet. Then again,
Abrams is moving up a little bit.
There's one guy alive from that dismount squad, and he's just like hiding behind a tree.
I mean,
Don't blame the man.
I see every dog in Cherner has just woke up.
I mean, they were gonna wake up at some
Yeah.
point.
I can't wait for this one squad, probably start part of some sort of pilot program about female Marines.
People, this is Command. Be advised, an additional fire team is moving up on you, and
behind the same tree for like 5
they're gonna move
minutes.
up to
Finally
the
moved. I
BMP,
lost track
give
of
them
them.
covering fire, then you're gonna bound past them. We're gonna make our way to that factory complex. Tanks are gonna keep moving up the.
Roger that, command. We will get moving on that. Alright, Abel, we've got a fire team moving up to support us. We're going to bound off of them after they get to the BMP. We're apparently going to the factory.
Oh, fun.
Up
Oh, boy.
behind it should be that encampment.
That's where we are, okay.
One of the AIs has a fucking
It's
Yeah,
either
but-
we're
Jesus.
gonna basically
Okay.
bound past them to a specific point, and then they're gonna bound past us
How so?
as we move towards the factory.
Good night.
So,
Yeah, be advised, I'm essentially down to max after this box.
There we go. 1 second.
I'm sure it'll be fine.
Cook off.
You want a canteen?
I do have one, it's just every time I start pulling at someone else, like, it starts coming around the corner and I have to shoot him.
It looks pretty quiet now, so you can probably like take the time to cool it.
Yeah, I just did.
I'm dumping some water on it too.
TRF guys are here.
Woo! Alright, we're covering them as they bound to the BMP.
Oh yeah, I am definitely looking for where you're gone.
Yeah, no. You're looking rough.
What amazing machine, like burnt to a like sooty husk, and the lights are still on.
Well, yes.
Yep.
Don't build them.
Soviet engineering for you.
Built tough. Built Soviet
I
tough.
want to ask Nada for like another rocket. Just say that the fire team brought it.
See,
I
they need
really
to add
want
like
another
actual
rocket.
destruction models for these things in Arma 4, because like realistically, what happens to a BMP when it's destroyed is that there's like one road wheel left.
Yeah.
No hull, no nothing, just one road wheel.
Yes.
Yeah. No. That's like there are
Yeah.
actual pictures of Ukraine. Like
So,
there's like
the,
one road
three
wheel and a
tractor
couple
memes, but
like
with
fragments.
Finnish Jaeger shit on. There was a BMP here. Look, road wheel.
Hey,
All
Shock,
right.
can you ask Command to get me another Jav rocket?
Command, this is
Probably carrying
Abel.
spares.
Our heavy ATGM's asking for another Javelin rocket, pretty please.
Pretty please, God.
Alright. Oh, well, they're at the BMP, so I guess we're
You're a
moving
brave
past them
individual.
at some point.
I'm gonna stand right here.
I
and
have
let people
something moving
fall
in the
down
factory.
themselves.
Shut up, I didn't do anything.
Yep. Contacting the factory behind the wall. He ducked down before I could engage him. There's like one guy with an AK hiding behind some trees. 287.
Where the fuck did I get the other bruises from?
You want to tell them to hop off the roof now? That way we have time for me to suture them before we go.
Alright, Abel, y'all can get down from the building. Yeah, that would have been a smarter move than me just throwing myself off of it.
Yeah.
Possible.
No worry,
Yeah,
I
you
backed
can
off
climb
of it
down
earlier.
May, did you get a new rocket or no?
No.
No, okay, I guess we're gonna wait on that for a couple of minutes before we get moving.
I like to see that they gather around the enemy dead like we do, looking for shit. Oh boy. We've got fire coming. I'm going somewhere.
I feel like that may have been the Abrams coax.
Yeah, that sounded like it. I think it had a
Yeah.
tracer.
Alright, then I guess we'll just have to get that rocket somewhere else, because I feel like waiting a couple of minutes to get rearmed and stuff is unoptimal when we're told to bound.
Can I go ahead and just,
You can ditch that, yeah.
yeah, I'm just gonna, make them...
Just take some prisoner, grab their...
Oh, wait, we got a truck.
Oh, lovely.
There you go, May. There's your fucking one extra rocket.
I'm gonna go see if there's a second one so I can carry it for you.
Yeah, Abel, we're gonna go fall back to the truck real quick, see if there's ammunition for the rest of y'all. I've only fired one mag, so I'm pretty Gucci on the damn ammo.
I fired like
We're gonna just take a nice little seat here until Abel's back from getting rearmed and stuff. No need to go running off, Shock said as they saw Roya go into combat a slightly bit, but that's okay.
Oh, we're kind of in the open right now.
Yeah, a little bit. That's okay. We're gonna
There's
go.
a copter. 2, 3, 4. That's
Huh?
4.
Jesus. Got a couple of air support for today.
I'm gonna run up to the main side of the road.
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you. Abel, once you rearm, head to your north. Me and Roy are pushing up on the fucking green building. I was about to call that shit orange.
There's fucking in the green building.
No,
Rule
we're moving
6.
up to the fucking green building.
Only on Tuesdays.
That's crazy work.
Rule 6.
I almost called that building orange. I want the record to state that I thought that building was orange. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and take a nice little pause here. Again.
Building looks pretty comfy.
Jesus.
I was told there would be fucking.
Not today, apparently. We're not doing that at this building.
Only on Tuesdays.
That's still, like I've said constantly, that's crazy work. Is all available? No, ish, kinda,
No.
kinda,
That's
sorta.
like half of Abel.
Yeah, kinda half. Yeah, we gon' Abrams got shot at by something with a cannon, and it didn't appreciate that. It was a yellow tracer going in, so I'm imagining one of those tanks is still not completely fucking dead. Oh yeah, no need to touch that. We're good for now. We're just gonna bound up past the damn tank towards the factory.
So, quick clarification. Where is the green building?
On map, able position from the position y'all, the building we were defending, it's gonna be northeast. So just walk down the dirt
Okay,
road.
I was moving north as I was instructed, so... I'm behind an Abrams right now.
Good note. We are pushing up on the Abrams now. Let's go, Abel, to the Abraham. For the Abrahams, for the Abrams, free Abrams, etc., etc. I'm guessing one of those dudes up there is Viso. Oh, there's Viso and May. Viso and May will be behind you, running up on y'all now.
Yellow.
Funnily enough, this was north of y'all's position, but west of ours. Alright,
I'm gonna check to see if this Abram by chance has. No, it does not.
Lamau. Yeah, we're gonna just...
Really should have expected
Abrams
that.
exhaust.
Channel switched.
Lamau.
Oh boy, here we go.
Freeze frame. Why does... I dislike Arma sometimes, I swear to God. This game fucking...
Alright, Abel, let's bound up to that factory.
I've been told not to play Arma anymore, I guess.
Congratulations, you're a rifleman. Where was that movement?
Alright, I'm gonna just close Arma, because apparently I'm not gonna be able to fucking play the rest of the day. God fucking... Uh.